Prajwal, you are driving?
No, I'm not driving.
Who is the driver?
Driver is on
Driver number 1, driver number 2 is taking drug.
Number 2 is taking a dump. He's going to do a nuclear blast.
Yes.
Then blast to Mayo. To Rishira Challenge. You can see me in that video.
Namaste.
Can you open the door for me?
Yes, walking man, please.
Thank you. Look at the weather. And this is Bijoy Jose, driver number 2.
Achill.
Yo bro.
And the next stop will be Khana. उसके बाद we'll go to the magical
Lit up fuel.
Keel. Next
How much is the fuel charge?
It's, I guess, 1 point.
For 45 euros we got 36.25. तो divide कर लो भाई लोग. आ जाएगा. ज़्यादा
46 euro
हो गया ना?
for 36 point
46 euro for 36.25
liters. Okay. Nah, almost. What is the name of location?
The name of the location is called the Giant Park,
Okay.
and you can find giant things out there.
So how much it is?
I'm excited to get inside it. Let's see whether it's worth a visit.
ये इनका घटिया प्लान है कायाकिंग करने का. हम लोग कीन बीच थे अच्छे खासे जगह पे, बट इनका घटिया जो तुम्हारा वॉकिंग मैन है तो एकदम मेरा घटिया वॉकिंग प्लान है ये. शो ये देख व्यू घटिया सा दिखाओ.
See guys, this is the view. See, we'll take this boat and we'll go over there. My partner Rishi,
Yes!
he will do kayaking with me.
Kayaking together, me and walking man.
Prajwal, Ravi Shastri. Is Ravi Shastri. No. What you will tell about this location?
It's a beautiful location for kayaking.
Sasank is telling that it is a bloody damn bad plan.
No, it's not a damn plan. It's a beautiful plan. Let's go for it.
kayak point. We have reached here.
Trying to impress the girls.
फ्लावर ढूंढ रहे हैं। उस कन्या ने हमें बोला,
उन्होंने बोला कि उधर से फूल लेकर आओ। आप देख रहे हैं इधर कितने फूल हैं। हम लोग फूल
देखो ये हम लोग वहाँ से
देखा।
तो ये पास लग रहा था, पास से देखा तो काफी दूर। तो हम लोग उस आइलैंड से वहाँ से हम लोग यहाँ पर आए, अननोन आइलैंड फ्लावर ट्रेन। फ्लावर्स जो मिले हैं ये 3 छोटे छोटे,
वो उधर के कन्या को देंगे
जिन्होंने मंगाया है। ठीक है, उसके बाद हम वापस जाने की तैयारी में।
किम बे
किम बे, और वो बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत।
हुला
उस ब्लॉग के लिए
I'm just going to make you meet the person who helped us. Hi, I'm making this vlog, so I just want you to, say a few words about it.
Hello.
We are ready to. We are going to promote this on our YouTube.
Fantastic.
So she's the person who made this possible for us. And
Hello from Achill Island and from Surfla Tomas. You can find us on Instagram or on our Facebook page. And everybody's welcome for 2-man kayaks, singles or stand-up paddleboards.
She's a wonderful lady. Just contact her and you'll have the best experience. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.